Hello friends, my name is Sujata Satarkar. Today's date is the 16 August 2022 and today's Viva topic is a relational map learning Spring. And Spring data is a JPA, and JPA stand for the Java Precedent API. Looking into the must know ORN. ORN means is a object relational mapping. So object is a relational mapping. Simplicity of the process of the processing of the Java, usually the name of the object and beginning the precedent become. So each field within that object and become of column and row is the including in the object. So is the record in the application is a Hibernate, is a main example is a ORM is a object oriented mapping. So while is a Hibernate is implementation, and Java is a precedent of the on the for preceding is regarding mapping data. For example is a Java object, and object data is a pass by value and value data by value, and with the JPI certify of the set of the rules and set of the goods lets implementation. Understanding code is the implementation, and Spring is a JPI part of the goal of the Spring is the responsibility is abstraction, and including the relational mapping is or usually, and with configuration of the data JPI Spring application, and requirement is STD, MySQL, Workbench, and Spring Boot project is the STD, and with the give the project and select the add request and dependency, and show is the XML file including, and that's why we is the including part of the JPI, and that's all about that Spring is the Spring configuration. That is a all method request mapping, and request mapping is the application tools of the Spring Boot, and we create the web application is the traditional setup. So including the dependency ourself of the chains, and various is the confidently, and which is the Spring Boot is the application including the start boot of the web and web boot of the including, and next one is the Spring Boot auto configuration. Spring Boot auto configuration with the Spring configuration data hiring including the attach, and so auto configuration with the including the though of the we define the more than one part is the configuration, and auto configuration is the annotation, and is the auto configuration always application enter register, and Spring Boot is the auto configuration logical configuration workspace including conditional data. It that's why including, and is the class path of the embed and auto path that accepted, and is the annotation embed elements present, and is the class is the not present and out auto configuration will be the made to the Spring APO, and check is the property of the Spring APO, and Tomcat server is a embed server, and Tomcat server is a default the embed server, and involves of the Spring Boot application is the command from without including, and busy complex server infrastructures, and is the WIF is including Tomcat servers including the Java JT to service our make and using environment in calculation, and bootstrapping application, and the bootstrapping application we need to the Spring Boot application behind the server, and input configuration embed configuration auto configuration, and with the Spring context is below for example executed, and when to the run application is auto configuration, The configuration file is them is the bootstrap application without application properties and resources folders. That's all about today's topic. Thank you.